Cursive R. Starting at the top, big line down, back up, little bump, little loop, little line straight down with a tail. Again, big line down, up, little bump, loop right on the dotted line, little line straight down, and a tail. Lowercase R. It doesn't look much like a tail, but it starts with a little bit of a tail and ends with one. So it's a little line up, diagonal, down, tail. Little line up, diagonal, down, tail. And the reason why, you can start from the baseline and take it all the way up if you'd like this. But once you start connecting it into words, you'll see why it's a little bit off the baseline there. Upper and lowercase cursive R.